Communication is the key to success in a world driven by seamless connectivity. Consider a tool that completely frees you up from a desk phone to make and receive VoIP calls right from your mobile devices, in addition to offering other vital features. With a next-generation softphone solution, PimentoPhone, we welcome you to the future of communication. PimentoPhone streamlines your workflow, by combining all different communication channels such as calling, voicemail, and messaging in a single application, allowing you to focus on what is truly important. Various technologies that are used in soft phones are Electron.js, PJSIP, React Native. Discover the power of PimentoPhone, an all-in-one communication tool that provides security, convenience, and a feature-rich experience. With white labeling support, we can meet your branding requirements while maintaining the highest level of security with a complete secure solution. With features like call hold, unhold, and both attended and blind call transfer, you can manage your calls with ease. Stay organized and informed with detailed call logs, which allow you to easily track and manage your communication history. Use the call mute or unmute feature to take control of your conversations. Never miss a message again with the voicemail feature, which keeps you connected even when you're not available. On the app side, enable the Do Not Disturb mode to allow you to concentrate without interruptions. Easily sync your phone contacts, streamlining communication and saving you time. With the help of DTMF support feature, you can input a digit during an active call. With WSS protocol support in PimentoPhone, it ensures that your calls are encrypted and your conversations are completely secure. Receive push notifications via Firebase, and APNs provide real-time updates, keeping you informed about messages and calls even when the app is closed. Enjoy the convenience of chat feature within the app. Experience the power of BLF support, which keeps your team's availability status up to date at all times, and speed dial, enabling you to quickly connect with your important contacts. Experience crystal clear audio in every conversation with support for multiple codecs including PCM-U, PCM-A, GSM, Opus, and G729. Our softphone's user-friendly interface provides ultimate convenience, ensuring simplicity with every tap. Integrate all of your communication requirements with ease, making connectivity smoother than ever before. Industries that we work with include telecommunication, e-learning and education, hospitality, banking and finance, e-commerce and retail, real estate, engineering and consultation, digital marketing and healthcare. With PimentoPhone, you can transform your communication experience. It's the tool you need to stay connected and succeed in the modern world, with enhanced productivity and exceptional audio quality. Contact us today to begin your journey toward a more connected future.